To make the calamine lotion, we need the bentonite, which acts as a suspending agent. Calamine, which is our active ingredient that is used in order to relieve itching, pain, and mild skin irritations. Sodium citrate can be used to facilitate the rapid dispersion of bentonite in the vehicle, which is water. And also zinc oxide acts as antiseptic and astringent. Finally, glycerin is used as a humectant and to increase the spreading of the preparation. Now we have to triturate the sodium citrate in a porcelain mortar and add it to a beaker and dissolve it in a 15 milliliter water. After this, add all the materials as calamine, zinc oxide, and bentonite into the porcelain mortar and start triturating to obtain more fine particles. Then gradually add the sodium citrate solution into the fine particle mixture and mix well. Now add the glycerin to obtain this texture and add your obtained mixture into the graduated cylinder. And continue adding your vehicle into the line mark, which is water in our case, to obtain your calamine lotion. Finally, be alert to shake it well before use.